Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, message and energy check-ins. Okay, so yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay, and yeah, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page and ang dami kong kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private or personal reading, message lang po sa atin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, there. So, let's start. Okay. Aries placements. So, anong meron for Aries? Check your other placements. Okay? So, yeah, the Two of Swords. You're avoiding, there's like an air sign avoiding you. Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aqua. The Hierophant. The Three of Wands universe. Meron ditong magre-reject ng commitments. I don't know kung ano yun. Yeah, the Seven of Cups. Yung specific na nakikita ko rito, napaka bigat, no? Meron ditong may nag-aabang ng kasal. Pero nakikita ko yung person ay napaka-indecisive. Okay? Napaka-indecisive niya. Confused. Okay? Pwedeng magkarelasyon kayo nito ngayon. Pero kung inaasahan mo na yayayain ka, lalo na kung babae ka, nayayain ka magpakasal, hindi ko pa nakikita yun sa ngayon, and they're like confused. Okay? So, yan. Two of Swords. Ano tong Two of Swords? The King of Swords universe. So, meron ditong Aquarius na talagang hindi ka kinakausap, pina-avoid ka. Some of them kasi is pwedeng tactics lang yun, no? Para ikaw yung kumusa na pumunta sa kanila. Okay? The Hierophant, the Ace of Cups. Yeah. Meron ditong energy talaga ng kasal. Iba rito, they're like, meron gusto mag-offer ng cup of love. Cup of love sa'yo. Pero they're like, takot. Okay, takot. The Empress is here. Some of you, pwedeng itong taong to is meron ng anak. Okay, pwedeng ito yung isang decision, pwedeng ito yung isang dahilan niya kung bakit indecisive yung person. Okay? Or sabihin natin kung hindi man magaya ng kasal, kanina tulad sabi ko, pwedeng makipag-relation or ang tawag doon, mag-spill I can't, magsabi, mag-open up ng kanyang emosyon. Okay? Yeah. The Three of Wands universe, the Page of Pentacles. So, meron ditong magre-reject, magde-decline, may tatanggi. Okay? Pagdating sa isang alok. Yeah. Ang naririnig ko kasi is ayoko. Ay, hindi na kasi okay na. Ayoko na niyan. Ay, tinigilan ko na yan Mga ganun. Yes. Okay? Diba sa inyo, kung meron kayong mga apply, hindi ko nakikita na tatawag yun sa'yo. I'm sorry. Okay? Next, Taurus. Taurus placement. So, anong message for you? Taurus. The Two of Wands universe. The Ten of Pentacles. and the Four of Cups in reverse. May susuway. May susuway. Rules. Okay? Sa workman, sa family, sa relation, may susuway. Okay? Na magkakos ng regrets afterwards. Okay, ano tong Two of Wands in reverse? The Judgment. Yeah. Some of you, kailangan nyo ng talikuran yung mga repeat cycles. Kahit paulit-ulit ako sa ganyang message, kailangan kong sabihin dahil hindi lalabas siya ng wala lang. Okay? Ten of Pentacles. The Nine of Pentacles in reverse. May pera, pero nandyan yung hindi umusad, like dadaplis lang sa kamay. Okay? Yung iba rito, magkakapera pero pambayad lang. Pambayad. Utang, pambayad bills. Yan. Four of Cups in reverse, please. Meron ditong gustong kumawala na sa family. Meron ditong gusto nang umalis. May nagdaramdam dito. I don't know if this is your anak. Okay? Kasi parang, ano ba naman to? Hindi ko na magawa yung mga gusto ko. Gusto ko na lumayas dito. Mga ganun. Okay? Maybe anak mo na pwedeng nagwo-work na rin. Parang ano like stuck siya sa mga responsibilities. Parang ganyan. They feel like hindi sila nabibigyan ng importansya or hindi sila parang naiintindihan. Mga ganun. The Fool. Okay? Yeah. The Justice. Hindi sila parang like gusto nila kasi ng like fairness. Bakit ganun? Bakit hindi ako parang lagi na lang yung pera ko sa kanila na lang palagi? Even though, yeah, nakakaramdam ako dito ng parang energy ng tawag doon, breadwinner. Yeah, breadwinner. Yung wala siyang magawa kundi gawin muna yung mga responsibilities dahil walang gagawa parang ganun. Or siya lang yung like pag-asa. Okay? So there. Some of you may malilimutan na pupuntahan. Meron palang schedule like that. Okay? Next. Gemini. Okay. Gemini placements. Message, please. Gemini. Okay. The Two of Wands. Bakit palaging una itong Two of Wands? Parang simula kay Aries, laging 2. Tingnan ninyo angel number 222. From Aries to Gemini. Okay? From Aries to Gemini. Aries, Taurus, Gemini. Tingnan ninyo yung angel number 222. There is something. Okay? Another message po yun ni universe. Okay? Yeah. Two of Wands. So, crossroads, indecisiveness, confusion. Okay? Some of you, you're waiting for someone, something, nagkakos ng delay. Okay? Andyan na, pero hindi pa rin makita. Mga ganyan. Kasi nakafocus sa isang bagay. Yeah. The Three of Pentacles in reverse. Plano na pwedeng ma-delay. Plano na parang hindi ma-execute dahil sobrang tagal na. Okay? The Knight of Cups. Yung iba rito, naghihintay ng approach ng isang water sign. Okay? Yung water sign na yun or earth sign or fire, wala pa silang plano. Okay? Sa ngayon, in the near future, pwedeng magkaroon. Okay? Ano tong Ten of Wands? Ano tong Two of Wands? Bakit ko nasabing Ten of Wands? Maybe there's something like responsibilities. Okay? Burden. Yeah. Nine of Wands. Yeah, malapit sa Ten of Wands. Nine of Wands in reverse. darating sa punto na kung ano may inaasahan nyo, darating kayo sa punto na parang ayoko na nito, ayoko na, parang ganyan, ayoko nang umasa. Nakakapagod. Okay, nakakapagod. Yeah, the 5 of Wands. What's with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse? The 6 of Wands. Just focus. Okay, pagdating sa goals, sa dreams mo, ang naririnig ko rito, Gemini, is don't give up before the finish line or until the finish line. Okay, that's with the Knight of Cups. Yeah, again, the Queen of Cups. Ito yung kanina nasa ilalim. So someone will express their emotions and feelings in the near future. A water sign. Okay, some of you, may nakikita ko ritong pregnancy. Yeah, meron ditong like unplanned pregnancy. Yes, kapag unplanned, doon pa magkakaroon. Pero kapag yung pinaplano, wala akong nakikita. Yeah, okay, I don't know. So there. Okay, next, Cancer. Cancer, anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Cancerians. Okay, the Hanged Man. Pisces energy. Some of you, there's a Pisces waiting for you, or maybe you're waiting kasi water sign din to. The 3 of Pentacles and the 5 of Cups. Kumilos ka na hanggat meron panahon. Okay, Cancer, kumilos ka hanggat alam mong may plano ka. Okay, huwag ka magsayang ng oras. There's regrets if ever na hindi mo gagawa ng paraan yan, ng action yan, kung ano man yan, in general. May plano na, kulang na lang is action. Kung hindi mo gagawan to ng paraan na may execute kung ano man yan, there's regrets in the near future. Okay? What's with the Hanged Man? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles. Iba rito, patungkol to sa business, patungkol to sa kaperahan in general. What's with the 3 of Pentacles? The Magician. Okay? Some of you, you're manifesting good things, good stuff in life. Okay? But, syempre, kailangan din ng effort. Okay? Hindi pwedeng yung magmamanifest ka na lang always. The 4 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Some of you, there's like a situation na parang pagre-regretan nyo. Okay? Dahil hindi nyo binitawan. Okay, so there, yun lang. Some of you may nagmamanifest ng another beginning with you. Okay, next, Leo. So, Leo placements, anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Okay, Leo. The King of Pentacles in reverse. The Queen of Swords. Be aware pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Okay, secure mga tawag doon, like hindi ko masabi, resibo. Yun lang, no, hindi ko pa masabi. Yeah, secure nyo yung mga resibo. Okay, mga contacts, details. Okay, para kapag may hinanap, may maipapakita. Okay? Credentials, I don't know. The Eight of Cups. Okay. So, ano tong King of Pentacles in reverse? The Page of Pentacles. Meron kayong boss na parang pinapaasa lang kayo. Like, ginagamitan lang kayo ng talino, ng utak, para sumunod kayo. Okay? Meron ditong boss na parang alam nila kung paano kayo paiikutin. Okay? Alam nila kung paano kayo paaasahin. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Kung ano man, like promotion whatsoever, andyan yung pinapaikot lang kayo nito. Pinapaasa. Queen of Swords, please. The Magician. Okay. So, meron ditong mga legal actions na pwedeng magkaroon ng progress, improvement. So, pwedeng meron ditong mag-success like that. Like, merong mabibigyan ng visa, may papasa sa exam. Okay? So, yan. May improvement. Parang leveling up like that. Iba rito, sana po makapasa ako. Yan. Okay? Ano tong Eight of Cups? The Strength. Meron ditong nagtatago ng feelings. Someone na malayo. Malayo sa'yo. This is you. Leo. Okay? Iba sa inyo, masyado kayong like, ina-avoid nyo na yung love. Okay? Yung isip at utak ninyo is parang nakafocus na ngayon sa sabihin nating mas mahalagang bagay. Okay, even though mahalaga rin yung love, pero mas mahalaga yung ibang bagay para sa inyo. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng kaperahan, karir nyo, yan, improvement, progress, yan. Okay, yan ang importante. Mas kailangan bigyang pansin sa ngayon. Okay? There you go. Next. Virgo. Okay, Virgo placements. Anong message for you? Okay. Virgo. Energy check-ins for Virgos. Oh, may nag-flip. Oh, the Seven of Wands. Avoiding tension. There's tension here. Yeah. Regarding sa isang commitment, sa isang relationship, meron ditong ina-avoid ang relasyon sa ngayon. Yeah, the Temperance. Nawawalan kasi ng balance yung buhay every time na pumapasok sa isang relation. I guess, nandyan yung pagpili, nandyan yung high standards ng iba. Yeah, the Judgment. Ayoko na muna, like that. Stop ko na lang muna. Avoid ko na lang muna. Kasi mas nakakakita ako, nakakakuha ko ng mas magandang energy whenever I'm single. Like that. No? Ano tong Hierophant? What's with the Hierophant? Yeah, the Two of Wands. Hindi agad-agad, like hindi priority or prioritize. So, priority ang pakikipag-relation sa ngayon. Commitments. Yes, parang teka lang, wait lang, parang ganun. Okay? What's with the Temperance in reverse? Yeah, the Queen of Cups. Some of you focus lang pagdating sa self-love. Okay? So, yeah. I think some of you, you're healing. You're healing. Okay? Para maging ready na sa next. Oo. Or siguro, hindi pa rin totally healed yung iba. That's why pinipili na lumayo muna sa mga bagay-bagay about love. Yes. Meron ditong pending na promotion. Okay, mapepending. Trabaho, commitments, may pending dito. Okay, so there. Next, Libra. Libra placements. Anong message for you? Energy check-ins. Libra. Okay. Libra. The 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Oh, money is changing. Yes. The Star in reverse. Don't lose hope. Okay, there's struggle. Pero, normal lang yan. Okay? Oops. Kunin ko yung isang nag-flip. Merong isang nag-flip sa ilalim. Yeah, ito. So, the 7 of Pentacles in reverse. Okay. Ano tong 5 of Pentacles? Meron ditong umaasa makikipag-ayos ka pa. May umaasa rito na makikipag-ayos pa or may maayos pang situation. Merong umaasa. Pero feeling nila hopeless na. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Justice. Yeah. Pwedeng inaasahan na makikipag-ayos ka pero I don't know, some of you ayaw na. Okay? Some of you, you're heading a new relationship na. Or, yun nga, pwedeng meron ng bagong karelasyon yung iba nga dito. Okay? Pero be careful ha. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi pa rin totally healed. Okay? You're just wasting your time if ever. What's with the Star in reverse? Yeah. See? Some of you with a Gemini. Money is changing. See? The 10 of Pentacles. Is this money or relationship? Or a long-term relationship? Which one ang gusto nyo? Pwedeng both. Okay. Ano tong 7 of Pentacles in reverse? What's with the 7 of Pentacles in reverse? The 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Don't waste time. Stop wasting your time. Okay? The 3 of Wands. Iba rito, sinasayang nyo yung oras nyo sa pag-expect, sa paghihintay. So, stop it. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ganun na lang, kumilos dapat. Okay? So, next, Scorpio. Scorpio placements. Anong message for you? Okay, Scorpios. Message for Scorpio, please. Energy check-ins. There you go. The 2 of Swords. A lot of 2s today. So, the 2 of Swords. So, this is decisions. Decision making. Yeah, the 5 of Wands in reverse. And the 10 of Swords. Okay. Avoid arguments. Avoid drama. Avoid problems. Okay. What's with the 2 of Swords? The Ace of Wands. Wag na magdalawang isip sa mga bagay na bago. Like, mga bagong opportunity na paparating. Iba sa inyo magdadalawang isip pa kasi. Okay, yeah. Pag-iisipan pang maigi. What's with the 5 of Wands in reverse? The 3 of Cups. Oh, meron ditong gusto makipag-ayos. So, siguro, I guess, pwedeng itong darating na ito, na opportunity, is like reconciliation from a past person. Hindi sinasabi rito na totally maging open ka for them. You need to think twice, thrice. Okay? Yes, ina-avoid natin si 10 of Swords dito. Kung gusto mo ulit masaktan, do it, go. Pero kung hindi, mag-isip-isip ka na. Okay, yeah, the Seven of Swords is here. This is the liar. Okay, this is the liar. Marami tong itinago sa'yo. So, be careful. Okay? May mga taong binabackstab ka. Oo, binabackstab ikaw. Okay? Ten of Swords. Yeah, the Eight of Swords, Universe. Ang dami ditong nagmamalinis. Ang dami. Okay? Hindi ko alam bakit ganun. May mga nagmamalinis. You need to heal. Okay? The Star. Meron ditong kahit ano gagawin, mailabas lang yung sarili nila sa conflict. Okay? So, there. Next is Sagittarius. Sag, anong meron? Message and energy check-ins. Anong meron for Sagittarius, please? The Ace of Cups. Okay, some of you, you're healing. May self-love. For some of you, this is a new connection. Or a new offer. Okay, a love offer. Yeah, yan daming ace. Oo, the Ace of Swords. Yung iba rito, pwedeng through online mo makikita yung another, sabihin nating, yung new love or yung new connection na paparating. Okay? The Seven of Cups. Some of you, there is a past person na talagang gusto ka pa rin. Like, they have feelings. Still, they want to talk. Okay? Yeah. What's with the Ace of Cups? What's with the Ace of Cups? The Two of Pentacles. Meron dito nagdadalawang isip. Okay? Kung i-offer niya yung cup of love niya sa'yo or hindi. Yeah. Some of them, they're like commitment phobe. Takot sila na makipag-commit. Takot sila na maging open emotionally. Like that. Okay? Pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng Earth sign. Ano tong Ace of Swords? Okay, so naputol sa ang lobas. Ano yung Ace of Swords? The Empress in reverse. Okay. So, meron ditong parang na-intimidate. Okay? Like, alam nila yung gusto nilang sabihin sa'yo. Pero hindi nila alam kung paanong action ang gagawin. Okay? Like, pwedeng may mga nahihiya, mga ganyan. May nahihiyang energy pagdating sa'yo, Sagittarius. Okay? So, ano tong Seven of Cups? In reverse. The Two of Cups. Yeah, this is love. This is something like connection. Okay? Pwedeng meron tumalikod dito. Pwedeng mother figure. Kung ikaw yung tinalikuran, I guess, gusto mo pa rin ng connection with them. Yeah, may lumayo. Okay, may lumayo dito. I guess, in the near future, nakakita ako ng reconnection sa inyong dalawa. Yung iba kasi dito is pwede kayong soulmates. Okay? Hindi ko sinabing may chance na maging kayo na together. Pero there's a chance na mag-reconnect kayo in the near future. Okay? So, there. There's an offer of love in the near future. Next is Capricorn. Okay, so Capricorn placements. Okay. So, ano bang meron for Capricorns? Capricorns. Okay, there. Okay. The Three of Pentacles. Plans, cooperation, okay, projects, the Knight of Wands, Universe. Oh, there's a player here. Okay, yeah, the Moon in reverse. Pwedeng Pisces, pwedeng fire sign, pwedeng earth sign. Some of you, pwedeng Hindi mo alam to, okay? And in the near future, malalaman mo. Okay? Pwedeng Capricorn. Pwedeng kayo yung ginagawa nito. Okay? Ano tong Three of Pentacles in reverse? Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. Andyan yung laging plano lang ng plano, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan, pero hindi nausad. Okay? Kasi, nandyan yung paikot-ikot lang. Walang nangyayaring improvement. Like, para kang nasa hamster wheel. Wala kang ginagawa. Nagtatrabaho ka, kumikilos ka, pero you're not moving forward. Paikot-ikot. Okay? Ano tong Knight of Wands in reverse? Kailangan mo pang gumawa ng another plan, ha? Lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan mo. Okay? The Four of Pentacles. Meron dito talagang nagtatago. Someone is like defensive. Okay? Meron dito nagtatago ng kanilang mga ginagawang kabalastugan behind you. Yeah. May mga gumagawa ng ganito. Fire sign, earth signs. Okay? Ano tong the moon in reverse? Some of you, kailangan yung i-hold yung inyong emosyon. Okay? Mula dito sa taong ito. A fire sign. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Swords. Some of you, meron kayong matutuklasan. Okay? In general. Merong mga nag-i-stalk sa iba sa inyo. Okay? Yeah. That's a message. Okay? May matutuklasan talaga. Yeah. Kung bakit hindi nagiging consistent yung person mo, like that. If there's something na nararamdaman ka sa person mo, pwedeng in the near future mo malalaman kung bakit ganun. Okay? So, there. Next is Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius placements. Anong message for you, Aqua? Okay. Aquarius. Message, please, for Aqua. Okay. The Lovers in reverse. Gemini placements. The Four of Cups. Oh. Kung merong nangyaring separation dito, may nag-iisip ng malala. And a water sign. Okay, a water sign or a Gemini. The Four of Swords. Bakit? Kasi feeling nila totally wala ka ng pakialam. Like, parang hindi na ko iniisip ni Aquarius, ano na kayang meron sa kanya? Parang ganun. They're like nagwo-worry. Ganyan. Okay? Kasi iba sa kanila hindi naging responsible nung nandyan ka. Ano tong the Lovers in reverse? Yeah, the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Iba sa inyo, pinagpalit kayo sa third party, no? Iba rito, ha, when it comes to career or sa pinagtatrabahuhan mo, meron ditong like sabotage na mangyayari. Pwedeng may planong hindi mangyayari, may planong hindi matutupad dahil pwedeng merong mag-back out, merong absent, parang ganyan, no? May dahilan para hindi matuloy yung isang plano. Yeah, the Page of Wands in reverse. Pwedeng iba rito regarding ito sa business, mga ganyan. Pwedeng hindi marunong yung partner mo, parang ganyan, kaya hindi nagkakaroon ng ang tawag doon leveling up, like that, kulang sa ideas, mga ganyan. Itong Four of Cups, the Sun. Yeah, someone is like nagwo-worry na masaya ka na. Okay? Yeah. Totally nawala ka na sa reach nila, ganyan. Four of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Seven of Pentacles. Iba kasi sa inyo pwedeng busy sa mga bagong bagay. Yeah, meron ditong gusto makipagayos. Aqua. Okay, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Merong gusto makipag-ayos dito pero hindi nila ginagawa mag-reach out or pwedeng may black messages, nagkakaroon ng burdens. Ang bigat na ng pakiramdam ng taong ito. Okay, ang bigat niya, ang bigat na. Pwedeng Aries. Some of them pwede kasing because of their ego, kaya hindi niya ginagawa. Okay, yung pag-reach out, kahit kailangan na siya yung mag-reach out. Yes, okay. So, next. Pisces. Okay. Anong message for Pisces? Okay. Energy check-ins. Pisces. Anong meron? Pisces placements. Okay. The Eight of Wands, Universe. Okay. So, there's delay in general. The Two of Cups. Delay pagdating sa offer. Strength. Okay. Some of you hindi nyo na parang nababalanse yung mga dapat, lalo na pagdating sa health. Okay? Ano tong Eight of Wands, Universe? May sumusuway dito. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. Ayoko. Parang ganun. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may iniintay kayong message pero hindi dumarating or an offer. Kasi pwedeng wala talaga. Yeah, iba rito pwedeng sa in-applyan, ganyan. The King of Pentacles, Universe. Okay? So, hanap ulit. Hanap ulit. Oo. Kapag sobrang tagal na rin. Ano tong Two of Cups? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. There's something like mas magandang offer na paparating for you. That's why hindi ibinigay ni universe yung ginugusto nyo. Okay? Hindi yung nakaplano para sa inyo. Okay? May mga hindi dumarating, may mga hindi mo nakukuha dahil hinaharangan ni universe. Kasi hindi daw yun yung para sa inyo. Okay? So, na tong strength. So, huwag kayong mawala ng hope. Okay? What's with the strength? Yan, the Chariot, Universe. Yung iba kasi sa inyo, parang, tinatamad na ako. Parang wala nang patutunguhan to. Ano kayang mangyayari? Parang ganyan. A lot of offer is coming. Huwag ka lang susuko. Okay? Just focus sa kung anong meron. Sa mga ginagawa mo, sa goals mo, maglagay ka ng goals, maglagay ka ng kung anong kailangan mong gawin. Okay? Isipin mo kung bakit mo gustong gawin yung isang bagay. Lalo na kung dinaratnan ka na ng katamaran. Oo, tinatamaan ka ng sakit nun. No? Isipin mo, bakit mo ginagawa yung bagay na yan. Okay? Isipin mo kung bakit mo siya ginagawa para hindi ka tamarin. Ha? Isipin mo kung bakit mo ginagawa yung bagay na yan. Nagsimula ka niyan, may rason ka kung bakit. Nawala lang yung goal. Nawala lang yung focus. Ibalik mo. Okay? So there. Yun ang ating reading for you, Pisces placement. So thank you. Bye!